Hey guys, Indiana prepping here. Show you about the jimenez, what I try to do in, kind of the review video. Basically take it apart, make sure it's unloaded, pointing in a safe direction, put it on fire, got, pencil, a lot thinner, put it in there, push it back. I did none of this on video, but it's gonna be hard to do on video. Okay, basically, you gotta brace it against something. Why can't I do it now? Seriously? I can do it down here, but I can't do it there. Okay, apparently I'm difficult, and so this. But I can't do it on video, because, I'm difficult. Basically, it comes apart. So slide up to the side, that's very low. You got the spring right here. Basically, hold the slide tension. You got the barrel, think about 2 inch barrel, really cute barrel. You got the hammer, safety. Use the little bar, safety. Okay. You got a little hook that holds it all together, doesn't make it fly apart. You got the firing pin spring and the firing pin. Really take apart, really easy to clean. It's kind of dirty. It's a little bit harder to put back together. But yeah. I know this might look horrible. It's got flash on my phone. So you can actually, half see. Extractor, this little pin. The little hole right there. There's a little baby pin in there. Basically, tap that out. Take the extractor out. So yeah. It's not that bad. It's a little rough running. I guess it's not horrible though. It could be a lot worse. So, yeah. Sure you gotta put that together. Get the slide. I'm not setting all this off camera. I'm difficult too, but I don't really got enough space. So basically, barrel, spring on. Okay. Get the firing pin, the little slot. Put it in the slot. Make sure it's actually all the way down there. Put the spring in there. Make sure this is actually put the right way. The large side goes on the spring. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to show this video without losing, my spring. There we go. Okay. So basically, what you've seen there. Oh, I might take it apart again. Okay. I'll actually try to do this on camera this time. Oh, why can't I do it on camera? Great. That's what I didn't want to do. Alright, we'll find out. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I do not recommend doing that. I recommend doing it against the couch, so it just hits the couch, then it doesn't go flying across, your room. But that's what I do. Okay. So basically, you don't lose any of this. First time I took it apart, my firing pin flew halfway across my room. I took it apart wrong. So okay, try to show this in the camera. Basically, you line the spring. Easiest way I found out, this little part. I'm not sure what it's called, man. Okay. Basically, you put this part, you line it up, get this part right here. Basically, barrel sticks through, brings on, barrel sticks through, this little part. Get your pencil, pan, and don't, make your crap slide across the room, then bam, back together. I hope that helped. There's probably a lot better videos how to take this part and put it back together, but get what you get. I guess not really, you could just choose different videos, but it's Indiana prepping. Peace out. Oh, what I forgot to also mention too, it also has a indicator too when it's cocked back. So this time actually, it's Indiana prepping. Peace out.